Have you noticed that climbing stairs feels harder than it used to? Do your legs feel heavy, tired, or weak, even after a good night's sleep? Maybe getting out of a chair takes more effort, or you feel less steady when walking. If you're over 50, you're not alone. Millions of adults experience leg weakness as they age, but here's the good news: it doesn't have to be a normal part of aging. In many cases, weak legs are caused by everyday habits, nutritional deficiencies, and a lack of muscle stimulation, not simply growing older. The best part? Many of these problems can be improved naturally. In today's video, we'll explore why your legs feel weak after 50, and share science-backed strategies to help you rebuild strength, improve balance, and stay active for years to come. Let's begin. 1. You naturally lose muscle after 50. One of the biggest reasons your legs feel weaker is a condition called age-related muscle loss, or sarcopenia. Starting around age 30, adults gradually lose muscle mass. After age 50, the process often speeds up. Without regular strength training, people can lose 1 to 2% of muscle each year. Since your legs contain some of the largest muscles in your body, they're often affected first. That means everyday activities, walking uphill, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or standing for long periods, can suddenly feel much more difficult. The encouraging news is that muscle loss isn't permanent. Research shows that even people in their 70s and 80s can rebuild muscle with consistent exercise and proper nutrition. 2. You're not getting enough protein. Muscles need protein to repair and grow. Many adults over 50 unknowingly eat far less protein than their bodies need. Appetite often decreases with age, and meals may become smaller or less balanced. Without enough protein, your muscles struggle to recover, making weakness worse over time. Excellent protein-rich foods include lentils, beans, chickpeas, tofu, Greek yogurt, eggs, fish, chicken, nuts, and seeds. Rather than eating all your protein at dinner, try spreading it throughout the day. Including protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner gives your muscles a more consistent supply of the building blocks they need. 3. You're sitting too much. Modern life keeps many of us sitting for hours. Whether it's watching television, driving, or working at a desk, prolonged sitting sends a message to your muscles that they aren't needed. The result? Your leg muscles gradually shrink, your joints become stiff, and your balance begins to decline. The solution isn't necessarily intense workouts. Simply standing up every 30 to 60 minutes, taking short walks, gardening, doing household chores, or walking after meals can make a significant difference. Movement is medicine. Every step tells your muscles they're still needed. 4. Vitamin deficiencies may be weakening your legs. Several important nutrients directly affect muscle strength. Vitamin D helps muscles contract properly. Low vitamin D levels are common, especially in older adults who spend little time outdoors. Vitamin B12 supports healthy nerves. A deficiency may cause weakness, numbness, tingling, or balance problems. Magnesium helps muscles relax and contract efficiently. Low levels may contribute to muscle cramps and fatigue. Potassium is another mineral essential for proper muscle function. If you suspect a deficiency, speak with your healthcare provider before taking supplements. A simple blood test can often identify the problem. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, dairy, and lean proteins can help supply many of these nutrients naturally. 5. Poor blood circulation can make your legs feel heavy. Your muscles need oxygen-rich blood to work properly. As we age, circulation may decline because of high blood pressure, diabetes, smoking, or plaque buildup inside arteries. When blood flow is reduced, your legs may feel heavy, weak, cold, painful while walking. Some people also notice cramping that improves after resting. Walking regularly is one of the best natural ways to improve circulation. Controlling blood pressure, avoiding smoking, and eating plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables also support healthier blood vessels. 6. Balance and coordination naturally decline. Weak legs aren't always caused by weak muscles. Sometimes the real problem is reduced balance and coordination. As we age, the communication between our brain, nerves, muscles, and inner ear becomes less efficient. This makes us feel less stable. Simple balance exercises can retrain these systems. Examples include standing on one foot while holding a chair, heel-to-toe walking, tai chi, gentle yoga. These exercises not only improve stability, but also reduce the risk of dangerous falls. 7. Chronic inflammation can speed up muscle loss. Not all inflammation is bad, but long-term low-grade inflammation can gradually damage muscle tissue and reduce strength. Highly processed foods, sugary drinks, excessive alcohol, and smoking all contribute to chronic inflammation. Instead, focus on an anti-inflammatory eating pattern rich in leafy greens, berries, tomatoes, nuts, olive oil, beans, whole grains, fatty fish like salmon. Regular physical activity and quality sleep also help lower inflammation naturally. How to build stronger legs naturally? The good news is that improving leg strength doesn't require expensive equipment or hours in the gym. Start with these simple habits. Even 20 to 30 minutes can strengthen muscles and improve circulation. Perform strength exercises 2 or 3 times each week. Squats using a chair, step-ups, calf raises, and resistance bands are excellent options. Eat enough protein throughout the day. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can increase fatigue and muscle cramps. Sleep 7 to 9 hours each night, giving muscles time to recover. Maintain a healthy weight, reducing unnecessary stress on your knees and hips. Most importantly, stay consistent. Small improvements every day add up to major results over time. When should you see a doctor? Although leg weakness is often related to aging and lifestyle, it can sometimes signal a more serious medical condition. Seek medical evaluation if your weakness appears suddenly, affects only one leg, causes frequent falls, is accompanied by severe pain, includes numbness or loss of bladder or bowel control, continues to worsen despite exercise. Conditions such as nerve disorders, spinal problems, circulation issues, or certain neurological diseases require prompt medical attention. Early diagnosis often leads to better outcomes. Conclusion: feeling weaker after 50 isn't something you simply have to accept. Your muscles remain remarkably adaptable throughout life. By staying active, eating nourishing foods, strengthening your muscles regularly, correcting nutrient deficiencies, and supporting healthy circulation, you can improve your leg strength and maintain your independence for many years. Remember, every healthy meal, every walk, and every exercise session is an investment in your future mobility. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Health Insight and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest science-backed health tips. And here's a question for you. Have your legs felt weaker after turning 50? And what has helped you the most? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.